Most classroom lessons about the largest planet in our solar system are factually wrong. We were raised on a specific myth that Jupiter is a simple, quiet balloon of gas, floating harmlessly at the edge of the inner system. Telescopes seem to confirm this. They show us a pristine, beautiful sphere, defined by colorful, static stripes. But the image is a lie. Jupiter is a destructive engine of gravity that has been violently shaping the layout of our solar system since long before the Earth even existed. Much of its power is invisible. Its vast magnetic field creates a bubble of influence reaching all the way to Saturn's orbit. This field generates radiation belts so intense they would kill an unprotected human in minutes. Our distant visual understanding was dangerously incomplete. To find the truth, we had to send a machine directly into the hazard zone. In 1995, NASA's Galileo probe attempted the unthinkable.
It was built to dive directly into the planet to see what lay beneath the clouds. This was a suicide mission, engineered at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, a deliberate plunge into the most hostile environment we've ever reached. The probe was built with massive heat shielding and a reinforced frame, designed to survive just long enough to send back one final burst of data. Galileo dropped at over 100,000 miles per hour, plummeting through dark, thick cloud layers, illuminated by massive, constant lightning strikes. This chart tracks the descent against the weight of the gas above. Within minutes, the atmospheric pressure became vastly heavier than anything found on Earth. At barely 100 miles deep, that immense pressure warped the titanium frame, crushing and vaporizing the probe. Its destruction revealed that the gas giant is a dense physical barrier, with conditions that defy human survival. From the surface, those famous stripes look like peaceful bands of color. In reality, they are parallel walls of wind shear tearing past each other at hundreds of miles per hour. The Great Red Spot is the terrifying apex of this system. This is a single, continuous storm wide enough to swallow our entire planet. It has been churning for over 4 centuries without a second of rest. It functions as a churning cauldron of extreme atmospheric physics, fueled by a constant upwelling of heat from the planet's core. This is a perpetual motion machine of destruction. It destroys the myth of the peaceful textbook planet. But here is the ultimate paradox. This engine of destruction acts as the anchor for a bizarre, self-contained mini solar system. The Galilean satellites, the planet's 4 largest moons, exist directly in the shadow of this deadly giant. These moons appear to be barren crusts of solid ice, but this cross-section reveals deep oceans of liquid water beneath. This liquid stays warm through tidal heating. Jupiter's gravity physically flexes the moon's cores, generating heat to keep those oceans from freezing. While Jupiter's radiation would kill you in minutes, these thick shells of ice act as a shield, insulating the water from the lethal environment outside. The textbook version of Jupiter is a fiction. As the oldest and most massive world in our system, Jupiter's gravity dictated where every other planet formed. And today, that same energy fuels the hidden oceans where alien life is most likely